Hello everyone. My next video is about the subtraction and addition procedure. There is nothing new I am going to teach you here because 50% of the time we have found the teacher approaching with the same concept, but still I can see in some of the places the teachers are not using that proper concept, and or maybe some teacher is using for the simple addition and subtraction the other process, and the in case of borrowing and carryover in case of addition, subtraction and addition respectively, some different process. When the child is already confused, basically in case of the learning difficulty child or child with autism or any other disabilities, we can say, but I would not like stop myself from saying, like some of the times, like even why not it can be adopted by everyone, so that there is no confusion at all by any child whomever you are teaching, so it can be applied throughout the school. Because if same concept is being carried out, the same thing will be repeated over and over again and it will be retained in child's memory. In case of addition, most of the time I have found that whenever they are writing 2 plus 3, the child is being told 2, 3, and then together it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This concept, I say a no to this, because we have had the cases where there came 9 plus 2. Then the child is saying, no enough fingers in my hand. They started counting their toes. Don't do that, because this will be again very, very difficult for the child. Again, using the grooves, you will say, okay, 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3. This also teach the child little later when the child understood the concept. This will definitely be used for the bigger numbers and it will be very easy. But until the number is like smaller, we can actually use the simple concept of using the fingers, 2 plus 3. Just because just before this concept, the big and small numbers should be taught. So 2 and 3, which number is smaller? So 2. So 2. Then put your fingers on the big number and say the number loud. 3. And then keep closing the finger after that. 3, 4, 5. The number comes to 5. This becomes easy for the child to understand. Now, when it comes to subtraction, I want first of all to use the same concept for the child. 4 minus 2. Very small numbers I am taking here. In this case, rather than the finger, we will ask the child to use their fist. And believe me, the child enjoys a lot when I say, can you close your fist? And then they'll close their fist and then they will say, okay, now bang on to the small numbers. So they will bang on and say it loud, 2. Then you have to count from 2 till 4. You have to count from 2 till 4. Let's open the fingers. 2, 3, 4. How many? 1, 2. So the number is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. This concept becomes so easy for the child that the child starts enjoying the number when it comes to 4 minus 4. The same concept being taught, close your fist, bang on the small number. Oh, here both the numbers are same. Okay, one of the number 4. Let's count 4 till 4. 4, 5. Oh, it's becoming big. So it is, fist is still closed. So it means it is 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And the child will lovingly understand this concept. They'll ask you to repeat it, doing again and again. It's a unique method to teach the child, and the child will enjoy the learning process very, very nicely. And it will also help you to go further till the carryover concept in mathematics in addition and borrowing in subtraction. Let's see how. Suppose I have given 17 plus 14. Now, big number in mind, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. If the child for the first time is learning borrowing, ask them to write 11 here. Then ask them, this is at ones place, this is at tens place. So the number at ones place goes here, because this is also at ones place. Ones, tens. So now the number at tens place goes here, which is 1, and always circle this. 11, so 1. 1 plus 1. 1, 1. 2 plus 1. 3. And separately keep teaching the child the concept of 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. This should be a mental math. Even though the child is not understanding, here also with this concept we can, but as different learners being different, they can even understand with this concept. Now, let me take you for the borrowing concept in subtraction. The concept comes when we are writing 32 minus 17. Now, we have to first make the child understand if the number on the top is big and number on the top is small, then only we can subtract easily, or else we have to borrow. As in this number, the number is small up and big down. So we have to, S is there but no B is there. B is not there. When B is not there, we have to bring the B. It means we have to borrow now because B is gone down. I want to bring B up. So I have to make this number up big. So how we can make this number big? By borrowing. B for borrowing. So we will borrow one number as we will borrow this number. The number was 3. I borrowed 1 from the number. Close. How many? 2. Now this number became 2, and as I borrowed 1 from here, it has become 12. Now the same concept, close your fist, bang on the small number 12 and 7, which is small. Definitely 7 small because 7 we can use with 2 hands, but 12 we cannot even use with 2 hands. This is 10, it's more than 10. So it means 12 is a bigger number. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number is 5. So 5, and here 3 we have cut. So 2 minus 1, it becomes 1. The same way as I told you, we should be teaching this concept also to the child. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7, and so on. Or either forward counting and backward counting. I hope the child will understand this concept very fast. When you say the number when up is big, then only we can subtract simply by banging on the number and counting to the big number. But if we have small s in the top, because b has gone down, so we have to bring the big number on the up. That will be possible only by b for borrowing. So we'll borrow the number, it will become big number. So this full concept can be taught to the child in a very, very easy and fun way, and the child starts enjoying. You can see the brilliant and bright smile on the child's face when we say that. Keep adding fun to the maths and let your young learner enjoy the math like anything. For any other comments or any other suggestions, if you want any further help, please ping me. Please write in the comment box. Keep encouraging your child. Keep teaching your young learners. Thank you so much for watching the video.